Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to monitor your YouTube channel. I'm inside my YouTube studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to arrive at this page, just go to studio.youtube.com. After landing on this page, just go to the Analytics tab, and this is the progress of the last 28 days. This is the progress of the views, this is the progress of the watch times, and this is the progress of the subscribers, or how many subscribers you got in the last 28 days. If you want to see a longer report, just select 1 year, lifetime, per year, or per month. Let's go with the last 90 days. Instantly gets updated with the statistics or the analytics for the last 90 days. And from the right side of the screen, you can see or monitor your current number of subscribers. You can also see how many views you get in the last 48 hours. And this is the top performing content in the same last 48 hours. Here you can see the performance of the latest content or the latest 10 contents. This is the one, this is number 2. And if you want to monitor your YouTube channel comments, just go to comments, and here you can see the comments that you haven't responded to yet. If you want to monitor the performance of your latest content, just go to content, and this is the latest uploaded videos. You can see their visibility or status, restrictions if one of your videos have some restrictions. This is the number of views, the comments, and also the likes versus the dislikes. From this promotions tab, you can see or monitor your current promotions and also completed or ended promotions. Just click on this thumbnail, you can see the result of your promotion. I forgot to share with you the analytics, not from a channel level, but on a video level. Just go to content. Now select the video that you want to see the performance. Let's select an old video, or let's select a popular video. Just click on this analytics icon, and it's similar to the channel analytics. Here you see the progress of the views, the watch time, and also how many subscribers you got from this exact video. On the right side of the screen, you can see the performance of this video for the last 48 hours, and you can select just the last 60 minutes. Now let's see the key moments. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's see the key moments for audience retentions. For this video, the average view duration is 1 minute 46 seconds, and this is the percentage viewed, and this is the retention graph of this video compared to the channel average. The gray part is the channel average. Now let's see the reach, how this video got views. As you can see, how viewers find this video. For this video, 83% is coming from the YouTube search, and a small percentage is coming from suggested videos or external. And these are the YouTube search terms that sends me traffic to this video. These are the external sites or apps that bring in some traffic to this video. The first external site is the Google search. And this is content suggesting this video in the, I think, the sidebar of a video watch page. Let's see how are people engaging with this video. Let's see the top moments of this video. So for this video, from this timestamp, this is the best engaging part. Let's see the two spikes. If I return to top moments, you can see nice work. This video part has a part that kept your viewers watching for longer than usual. Now let's see the two spikes. So spikes means that your viewers are interested with these two parts of the video. Now if you want to make a second version of the same video, just make sure to go on details on these 2 points. And this is the dips, this is a dip, so this means that your viewers lost interest in this moment. And this is how to monitor your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.